Hi guys, so in this section we'll start our coding practice. In this section we'll learn about how to launch any website using Chrome or Firefox driver. Okay, so what I have done, I have created one Maven project. So if you don't know how to create, just see my previous videos where I created Maven project. So once you create a Maven project, sometime it will be Java AC 1.5. So what you have to do here, this Selenium and test ng dependencies are there, which just I copy pasted, and so automatically it will download everything. And for Java AC 1.8, what you have to do, you have to put this plugin. Okay, this plugin, so it will when you update the project, it will become 1.8 and always 1.8. And another thing, this thing is to run the test case through pom.xml. Okay, this is soot file name, and this soot file name I defined here. So this is a path of our testng.xml file. My file name is testng-sl.xml. So you give any name, but you just give the path here. So here it pick up the pom.xml, pick up this testng.xml file and run. So we'll discuss about test engine and Maven in later section, but right now just you copy paste and so we can start. So sometime what will happen, you create a Maven project, it will be 1.5. So how to rectify those errors? First update your pom.xml file, then it will be the some this error will be there. So right click on your project, okay, then Maven and update project, click on update project. So all any error will be there, it will resolve by, you just refer pom.xml and resolve all the failure. So object, then select your project which has errors, and then okay. So that way you just do this thing, so all it will, our Java project will point to Java compiler 1.8. okay, so once it's done, I have written one test case. I'll explain one step by step. So just I created one package. So create a package, so right click, new package. Okay, just create a package and it will open, and just give the name. I give them com.selenium.learning. In this package, right click, create a class and give name to class. Okay, it will click class, you give the name. So if you have basic idea of Java, then it will be very easy for you. Okay, now after that class is created. So this at the rate test is a test ng annotation. We'll discuss all this. At the rate test, you understand, like uh, any function under this tag will be where this is a test function for us. Here we are testing our own functionality. Okay, here is I declare one variable browser type. Okay, like ff is Firefox and Chrome is we pass. So to start something, we have to set the driver path. Say driver path is nothing but we have to download the driver file. Like for Chrome, driver file is different, and for Firefox, driver file is different. So you just on Google you search download chrome.driver.exe. So you go, just you search and just download this latest version. Okay, similarly for Firefox, just download this gco driver.exe. Okay, and copy it any path, but you have to just copy paste this path. So this set system.set property, and just give webdriver chrome.driver and give the path of the Chrome driver. Similarly, give webdriver.gc.driver and just give this uh, uh, Firefox driver path. So once this path is set, then what we are doing, we which website you want to launch. So here we are just launching google.com. This is URL. and then after that you have to get the driver. Okay, so based on your requirement, you want to run on Chrome or Firefox, you have to get the driver. So here I'm passing browser type string, and I'm creating an object of, like, if it's Chrome, I'm getting return new Chrome driver, so it will return the Chrome driver. Okay, if it is Firefox, I'm setting some option is required. You have to set some option. We'll discuss about all this thing, driver capabilities and option. Right now just you create an option and return new Firefox driver and put this option, and if the thing is passed, just it will return a Chrome driver. By default it return a Chrome driver. Okay, so what we had done, we set the browser type, then we selected the which URL we want to execute, then we are getting the driver, we are saving in WebDriver. So WebDriver is the interface, it's which browser you want to execute test case. Based on that, it driver object will be created. Then driver.get and base URL, it will launch the our website, like google.com it launch, and driver.close will, once it's launched, it close that thing. So this is our test case. So now you want to run, just go run and run configuration. So I created one configuration. Okay, Selenium. So you want to create a new configuration, click new launch configuration, give a name, like I give a name, and workspace. Select workspace, which project you want to running, like I'm running on Selenium learning, just select it. So it will be like that. Okay, then we are putting clean install is a maven command to first is clean our working directory and then execute the test case. Okay, then you have to just build and execute, then run. Don't So test case is running. See, is building first. Maven build compiler is going on, is building the project. Now it started test. So what it will do, it will launch the right now Firefox, because we are using Firefox driver. So is launch the Firefox driver, open google.com and close the thing, and our test case is done. Now we want to execute Chrome thing. What you have to do here, just put Chrome. Okay, now run it again. So see, starting this is the Chrome driver is launched, google.com is open, and close it. So that way you can execute your test case in any driver. So right now I written in only one class file, but later when we design the framework, we put everything, like anything related to Selenium, how to control driver, we will decide and we'll divide everything in different classes and function. Okay, thank you.